Happy Sunday. July 6th. It's 1 o'clock in New York. You know, Sunday morning cartoon as a kid, right? Long beard or short? All right, we're going to do a little workout, light stuff. There's the car right there. Headed to do that right now, and the madam is driving right now. Madam, what's up? Yeah, we're headed right there. We're almost there. They stopped the car in front of us, and I already told her what to do. All right, the madam is getting my love for croissants, acai bowl. How is it, madam?
Amazing.
And watching a little movie, Sylvester Stallone.
Hey, everybody. Happy Sunday. All right, episode 6 is on. Today is, let me show you per usual, July 6th. It's 1 o'clock in New York. But in New York, I mean in Thailand, I mean, in Mexico, it's 12 something. Late start to the day. I woke up late. I watched old Justice League cartoon. You know, Sunday morning cartoon as a kid, right? Sometimes I like to relive the past. Today is going to be an interesting day. A lot of fun. So let me talk to you. I don't have any shorts on. I'm butt naked right now under the camera. So let's go. Per usual. Some of the shorts have it. Some of them don't. We're taking out the inner lining. So, you know what's interesting? Today, I want, from the analysis I did on the charts, I'm looking for a short today. Today's Sunday. The future market's open at 6 p.m. And boom. So I'm thinking about a short for today. But, you know, the market will do what it wants to do. It's sitting at a very key level. And it could bounce. It could easily bounce. So we're going to see what happens. Now, today's itinerary, I'm going to work out a little bit again every single day, 7 days a week. Nothing aggressive, nothing hard. And then we're going to go have breakfast. You know, my Jennifer's here. I'm like, you know what? It's a Sunday. She just arrived. Let me not put her to work already making me breakfast. Even though she texted me early and said, what do you want to eat? I was like, you know what? We'll just go out. And then I got to get a haircut. We got to get the beard fixed stuck. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Long beard or short? You know, we're going to do that. Grocery shopping. We'll do breakfast, cafe. And then depending, we'll go to the beach. We'll see what pops off. And then, you know, if there's a trade, I'll take on the phone and we'll talk about it. But overall, that's out. And overall, that should be the day. I will try to take a trade today. And I want to talk about some mindset stuff where what's interesting is for the first time, I woke up and I was like, not nervous, but I'm like, oh man, I'm already up so much in the prop firm account stuff. Garbage. God, it feels so good. Where I'm like, ugh, and I'm on camera, and people are watching me, and people all this. So it's like, I want to keep that going. So a little concern. I'm like, ugh, but we don't, oh my God, it's so bright. Oh, beautiful day in Mexico. Absolutely lovely, lovely day. All right, we're going to do a little workout, light stuff, and then head out, getting the music ready right here. So let's do the thing. Let's do the workout, and boom, 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 boom. Oh, the car is parked right here. I don't want to show the license plate. There's a lot of weirdos on the internet, but there's the car right there. Told Jennifer to pick up a Chevy. I want to be inconspicuous. I don't want to be noticed here. So even though I paid for a Jaguar, they didn't have it there. And I'm like, okay, God, I see you. No Jaguar then. We'll play it ear. We'll play it by ear. All right, let's do it. Music, workout, and let's get the hell out of here. Let's go. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode, a lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off, Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. Workout is done. The madam, her first job, watermelon juice. How was it? Hard job?
No, super easy.
There you go. 2 minutes, grocery shopping?
Sure.
All right. I'll see you grocery shopping, haircuts, the whole 9 yards. The beard has to get fixed up. It's way too big in my opinion. So we're doing that. And yeah, So like I was saying, the market opens, I think, in like 5 hours. Let me put this down and talk to you guys. Market opens in 5 hours. And I'm excited, but also a little weary about it. You know, I've never done this prop firm stuff like this, where I'm so close to a payout, I'm up so much. It's like, I want to be risk off, but that's not what we're supposed to be. I know because it's the camera, and I know people watching this don't like me. Some of the people watching this, of course, don't like me. And they want me to fail and be like, see, he sucks. But I shouldn't let that get to me. All right, let me drink this. Seeded watermelon. Enjoy the view with me. Come. All right, I'll see you in the car when we're headed to grocery shop. All right, headed to go get some breakfast. I'm gonna get a croissant, omelet sandwich. I've missed bread. I haven't had it in a long time, and I love croissants. Headed to do that right now, and the madam is driving right now. Madam, what's up?
What's up?
We're headed right there. We're almost there. We are where I live, where the resort is. We're 30 minutes left of humanity, 30 minutes right of humanity. We're in the middle of where nobody is, the jungle. And it's a beautiful thing. So, boom. I gave her my security thing. There was a security checkpoint. They stopped the car in front of us, and I already told her what to do. I said, you don't speak Spanish. None of the above. We get pulled over. You don't speak Spanish. Chris Figueroa, if you're watching this, remember Puerto Rico, what happened? We got pulled over, and I said, we don't speak Spanish, and so you spoke Spanish. So I gave her the security warning, and we're safe. Next, I'll see you at brunch. Boom. All right, the madam is getting her acai bowl. And for me, it's too sweet for breakfast. Even though it's not breakfast time, I need egg omelets. So we're going to get her acai, and then we're going to head to my breakfast spot. So let her get her thing, and then boom. Who starts their day with acai? They got some good stuff, but not for me. They have a good menu setup going on here. Let me show you. Boom, boom, boom. I'll see you at the breakfast spot. Let's go. All right. My love for croissants is undeniable. By the way, for those of you that are worried about seed oils and all that stuff, very simple. Be very nice to the workers and ask them to make it in butter. It's really that simple. Butter is the way to go. Remember what I taught you. When the GOVT says something, do the opposite. When they tell you that steak is bad, eat all the steak. When they say butter is bad and seed oils are good, like soybean oil or corn oil, do the opposite. I'm telling you, this is the formula. When they say eggs are bad and eat Honey Nut Cheerios or Fruity Loops, you better eat every egg you can find. They do not want you healthy. They're all controlled by the pharmaceutical industry. Keep that in mind. What is the madam eating? Acai bowl. How is it, madam?
Amazing. So good.
And like I told you, most acai is not real. It's fake. You could YouTube that, look it up. But the owner, the manager, Marcos, actually let us try it. Pure acai, real acai. I didn't like it. She liked it. After this, haircut time or the grocery store. We'll figure that out. And then I'll see you at the next one. By the way, just to let you know, some of your obsession is the charts. Don't think for 1 second, all I'm thinking about is 6 p.m. The future market opens up, and that's all I can think about. Like an obsession. Remember when you were little? Little meaning teenager. And you had your first love, and you couldn't stop thinking about her. That's how it is when it comes to trading. Healthy or unhealthy? Well, guess what? It funds all my operations. Doesn't matter if it's a healthy obsession or an unhealthy obsession. If it funds everything and I can live my life the way I want to, who cares? I'll see you in the next clip. Bye. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go. In a Mexican souvenir shop. A couple people asked me to get them stuff. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien.
We got bien, gracias. I got a bag. I got a bag for Jennifer so she can carry stuff in it. Some magnets right here. A couple people asked me to bring them something. I never bring anyone anything back, but they asked me for it. So bringing this back. I got Jen the bag, so we could say inconspicuous. She has an LV bag, Louis Vuitton. I don't like to be noticed. I want to be invisible here. And she agreed. Thank you for agreeing, by the way.
Of course.
Because I know, some people are the fashion. I just don't want to be noticed. I want to be completely blended. Some guy just asked me if I want cocaine on the street. He's like, papi, cocaína? And I'm like, oh my God. Do I look like someone who does it? Don't answer that. In the haircut, let's rock and roll. I'll show you what kind of haircut I want. Guys, haircut is done. The man right here. Appreciate it. Tell him your name and the place.
The name the place
Yeah.
is the Quantity Barber Shop. My name is Emiliano. Welcome people.
So he killed it. He did a good job. I'll be coming here regularly and getting everything done. We're looking clean again. So the adventure continues. I'll see you soon. In Walmart, getting whatever she needs to cook and clean and handle everything. So that's being handled right now. God bless Walmart. I know people have the thing about corporations and all that, not paying well, the union. I don't care. I'm in a foreign nation and I need what I need without any excuses because as you can tell, they have everything you need. That's the one part about the Waldens, right? The billionaire family. The man figured it out. He did, if you don't know, I'll give you a little quick history, right? What did he do? The Walden family, where the name Walmart comes from. This man, when he died, was so rich that when he passed it down to his wife and his children, I think he has 4 or 5 kids, they were the richest humans at one point in the history. And what did he do? Lots of product, cheap prices, high volume, and he became the richest man in history. The Walmart family, the Waldens. This madam cannot drive. Look what she's trying to do. Look. She's trying to squeeze. Do that again, please, for the camera. Look what she's trying to do. Go ahead. Oh, now she got through.
Made it work.
May God help us all. You should see her parking skills. My God. I didn't record it, but her parking skills is unbelievable. All right, let's keep it going. Are we on the hunt or are we going to knock out what we need?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm hoping to see where.
All right, so I'll see you at the next scene. Talk about degeneracy. Look at the amount of alcohol. It just keeps going and going. Look at degeneracy. It just keeps going, man. Look at all this alcohol.
Look. I'm just kidding.
Stop it.
I'm kidding.
Stop it. The amount of alcohol. Damn, homie. The poison. I caught her in that aisle, but no. No drinking, no drugs around me. No degeneracy. If I'm around, it's not happening. I don't allow it. I don't care for it. No matter what anyone says, it's not happening. Let me tell you guys a funny story. You like this story. So I had a student, God bless him. Maybe he was mentally unstable. I don't know. One time he messaged me, oh, you talk all this stuff about not doing degeneracy. I saw you drinking in your classroom. I said, you saw me drinking alcohol in my class. He goes, yeah, I saw a video of it. I said, bro, you're going to get blocked. You probably see me with a glass of water and thinking it's alcohol. How drunk or mentally unstable are you? People are fascinating. You said you like dragon fruit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, here we go. So we got the fruits here. Boom, boom, boom. So take the bag, get what you need. Remember, just get enough for like a week. Every time I come pray at the mosque, you could get more.
Okay.
So here's the fruit section. Rock and roll. They have a big, the watermelons. This is going to get stacked up. Gotta love watermelons. Let's go. Grocery shopping is done. Do you think I bought enough watermelons? They didn't say if they were seeded or seedless, but if they turn out seedless, we have a problem. Here's the rest of the stuff right here. Boom, boom. Hey, they had organic stuff. Shout out to you, Walmart and the Walden family. I'm home. Everything is ready to go. You know, I miscalculated time. I'm like, okay, future market opened at 6 p.m. But I realized 6 p.m. New York time, 5 p.m. here. So the future market has been open already. And I am in a trade as we speak right now, NQ. I didn't turn on the screen recording yet. I should turn it on, but I have it set up right here. In a trade with NQ, I'm up nothing right now, $25. So, boom. I will talk about this after everything is said and done. But I had to move quick. Dinner's being made in the background. I don't know, the windows are tinted, but let's see. I miscalculated the time here because, like I said, I should have been cognizant of that. I was like trying to tell Jennifer, let's get home. I want to take a trade. And that's what's happening right now. All right, I'm going to focus on here. I'll see you later. All right, we're going to lock in some profits on this NQ trade. As you can see, 5 contracts. Can't make too much money or I'm going to get hit with the consistency rule. So hit sell with me up 1,000 right now, 1,200. We're going to talk about this in a few. Let's keep it going. I can't make too much money. I'm going to have to get out. All right. Locked in those profits right there. Quick trade. This could go further down, but I can't make too much money or I'm going to get in trouble with the consistency rule. I have to make a certain amount of money. Another green day, starting off the week strong on that green day. Praise God. Let's go see what the madam is cooking up in the kitchen. Madam, what's up?
What's that?
Just made $1,200.
Hell yeah.
High five. Let's go. What are you cooking up?
Beef.
Oh, you're the best. Habanero, bell peppers, lime, water. I love it. Let me know in the chat. Did we buy enough coconuts? I'm sorry, it's not coconuts. My bad. What do you call these? Watermelons? Listen, before someone says, what are you smoking? Bro. I'm on retirement mode. Ever since I've been here, my brain, I've been here for a month now. My brain is not functioning the same as it usually functions. So there's that function right there. It feels good. We'll do the breakdown later tonight. Towards the end of the episode, we'll do the breakdown on that trade and how much we're up now. Already on the week starting up. God bless. I don't know if the chart will show Sunday or will it blend into Monday? I think Sunday, because it is Sunday, right? So there's that. Today was grocery shopping, the whole 9 yards, and now the bills are being paid by the charts. I'm excited because Wednesday, or maybe if today's considered a trading day, I don't really know how these prop firms, I'm trying to learn them as well. I'm learning them with you on this journey of prop firm trading. I should get a payout Tuesday, Wednesday, God willing. We got 2-3 more days of a couple $100, $1,000, 1,500, 1,700 type. Can't be making too much money. Dinner is going to start soon. And now I'm free from that. I'm free from having to cook. That's one thing. I like to cook, don't get me wrong. But my job is to focus on the charts. If I was cooking right now, I would have missed that trade. It's going down more, but I'm not supposed to be in it. I can't make too much money or I will get in trouble. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Let's go. As we're breaking down the charts, I have it right here. We are... Hey, who's this guest behind me? Madam, come. What do we got?
Some tacos.
Let's go. You can squeeze the lime next time. It's all good. All right, so you know what we're going to do. We're going to talk and eat, but let me go wash my hands. Madam, do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you stay here and just do this? So no bugs sit on it, please? And you can talk to the camera.
Today, we went to go run some errands. We did grocery shopping. Professor got a haircut. Yeah, it was a long day. It was really hot. Super humid. Made these. Hopefully I seasoned it well.
You tell them all the people that came up to me and said, do you want to buy cocaine? Do you want coke blow?
Probably like every other person.
I don't do cocaine. Thank you, ma'am.
But everyone kept coming up to him. I don't know why.
Maybe I do. I don't do drugs. I've never done drugs. Thank you so much for this. Thank you. You're going to make some too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's extra meat.
Okay.
If you want more, let me know.
Thank you. I don't know what it is about... Don't play with me, mosquitoes. I don't think... You could tell me in the chat. Do I look like someone who does cocaine? And I'm not even dressed up. I was in my school emblem gear. Oh, she did well. She did well. First time she cooked for me. She was with me in Thailand. She came to the Thailand mentorship. And I saw how well she performed with everyone. She kept all the students in check. Everything they needed, she handled. She did very well. You know what's interesting? I would have came home and cooked, and I would have missed this trade. What did I make? 1.2K on this trade? I would have missed the opportunity. She's not getting 1.2K today, of course. Even though we went shopping, I paid for everything. I paid for Sephora stuff. I didn't have to, but I did. It's all being paid for by the charts. Get an assistant, and that'll be motivation for you to push yourself to be a better trader. Think about that. I'm looking at the charts, by the way. Thank God I hit sell, because now it's rocket shipping. All I do is hit sell, man. One question to ask yourself, Why do I hit sell and you don't? Maybe because I have more bills than you? Maybe because my expenses are more than yours? I have a driver in New York? All right, I'll be back.
I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go.
All right, we're back. So now more opportunities can be lined up. Again, I can't make too much money. I have to make a little bit or I'm going to get in trouble with the consistency rule. Like I said, you have to consistently make a certain amount of money and to get a payout. You can't make too much. With the platform I'm using, it's 20% you have to do. It's right back at my original entry. I got multiple time frames open. I got 5 time frames open right now. I'm not going to show. Hell no, but I got multiple time frames open. Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Is there Liam Lyman here or just watermelon?
I just want it all.
Thank you. I'm seeing if another setup comes right now. It doesn't look like anything is coming up. But if something comes up, I'll take a quick trade on this. By the way, how many trades after you guys take it, you're done? Like you say, that's enough. I'm done. Like, what is that number for you guys? Tell me. Tell me in the chat. You know, I caught the move that was needed to be caught. Now everything is super slow. I do not want to be caught in something that is no bueno. You know, I don't know how some of you just trade with the 1 minute time frame. No clue how you do that. You got to look at multiple time frames, baby. No clear direction. You're stuck in this zone. No, we're going to be patient. We're going to be, thank God I was patient. And there it goes. Ooh, thank God it is short. It's good not have to cook and clean anymore. Oh my God. Or make my watermelon juice. Now I can make more money and focus on the charts. Oh, praise God. I'm telling you, having an assistant is the greatest thing of all time. Every time frame is bullish. Unbelievably bullish. Like extraordinarily bullish. Holy moly. By the way, if you want to look at the chart I'm looking at, today's July 6th, 7:25 p.m. New York time. You can analyze the chart with me. All right, let's see if I'm going to get out this trade. Not looking too hot. Praise God, I went in small size. All right, here we go. Let's break that resistance. All right, now we're looking much better. I'm out the trade. Stop loss hit, and it dropped drastically. Drastic drop. Thank you, stop loss. That would have been bad. If you guys let me show you what just happened. My entry, my exit, and look at that drop. Ooh, that could have been so bad if I didn't have a stop loss. Oh my God. Back in the short. And there it goes. Crumblings made back that loss. And I'm out. Another trade in the books. In, out, puppy. In, out. Again, not screen recording it. I'm just trading. I'm just trading. I'm just trading. I don't want to screen record. No interest trying to figure out which screen, this, that, the third. I'll just screen record tomorrow when we trade Monday morning. So I'm not trying to do any of that right now. My job is to make money, and I'll show you in the P&L calendar. That's it. This is how I trade. This is the blog. This is how I live my life. This is what you see, which I don't like for you to see. But, 31 days already gave you my word. So those that don't believe can believe. That those that don't believe can believe. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more. I'll do the breakdown, by the way, towards the end of the video. Oh, wow. That's kind of crazy. The P&L showed the whole Sunday, but now it jumped into Monday. It's officially Monday now, and I'm negative 139. Let's find another trade. So this is part of Monday now. Understood. Okay. This is considered Monday, even though it's Sunday. We had a drastic drop. Thank you, Lord, for the stop loss. I'm telling you, the way it dropped, it could have wiped out so much of my profits. Oof, my heart. It would have knocked out so much of my profits if I didn't have a stop loss. So that's 3 trades out the way. We're green for Sunday. So we're green for Sunday, as you saw in the P&L chart, which I'll break down later, by the way. And boom, So tomorrow's Monday. We'll live record. I'll show you all that. Let's see if we could take one more trade and we'll call it quits. By the way, let me know in the chat, what do you guys like so far? Today is day 7 of the vlog. Sorry, day 6. My bad. Day 6 of the vlog. By the way, we had a massive move this morning. I mean, right now. Massive, drastic move. So it depends what happens later in the day. That means tomorrow, again, anything could happen. We have a lot of hours until market opens Monday. I'm sorry, 9:30 New York session opens. We have plenty of time until that happens. It might be a big drop or a big move. Let's see. After a drastic move, we get sideways. That's what I'm trying to tell you in this story. I'm going to take one more trade and call it quits. How many trades did I take already? Let me see. I took 2 trades. You should be using multiple time frames when you're trading. Please, if you're just using one time frame, I don't know what to tell you. And you know where to find everything. If you're watching this and you're clueless, daytradeprofessor.com, there's 3 books I wrote. If you can't afford any of my classes, that's fine. I wrote 3 books to help guide you in the righteous path. By the way, if you're noticing that mosquitoes are barely bothering me right now, is because I heavily sprayed myself and I got my robe on. Usually, this is thick enough. Somehow they're biting through my t-shirt. I don't know, the Mexican mosquitoes must be really strong. God bless them. Overall, we're at record highs in the market. You already know. Many of you like, how do you make levels then? There's ways. Mentorship students, if you're watching this right now, go to the secret Instagram and the highlights. I made a video for you showing you when the market's at record levels, how to make levels. It's not in the book, of course, because, you know, we weren't at record levels when I wrote the book. This young lady leaving the car keys here. May God help us all. Let's go give her a lecture on why she left the car keys outside so someone could steal it, even though that's not going to happen. Let's go give her a lecture. I just finished trading. I think I took 6 trades. Like I said, I'll talk about this at the end of the video. There'll be a debrief. Oof, I'm mentally exhausted. So many drops, so many ups and downs. By the way, look at the moon. Look at that moon. Gorgeous. So, mentally draining. Let's go give her a lecture. Did she lock the door? No. No. Madam, you getting a lecture. Where's the car keys? Yeah, where's the car keys?
Wait, on myself.
No, I'm not recording you. I'm on myself. Where's the car keys?
They're on the side.
Yeah. Be careful. They were in the sink, by the sink.
Yeah, in there.
Yeah, that's not safe. Even though we live in a safe neighborhood. All right, she got her lecture. See, I'm not so bad. I'm not a bad boss. That's her lecture right there. That's her lecture right there. Boom, boom. All right, guys, let's go. The breakdown for today. And we're doing it. Today's Sunday. You already know. July 6th. Is it July 6th? I don't even know the date, man. It is July 6th. Sunday, July 6th. So for those watching this, probably like, oh, you're lying. Sundays, the markets are not open. I have to keep saying this because most of the trading population has a low IQ. That's just the truth. You don't want to know about the DMs. If you saw the DMs and the level of stupidity, you would know where I'm coming from this. So the futures market's open. I took 1 trade, as you can see, 1.2K. And then I took some more trades, and then I guess they rolled over into Monday. I don't really care. I just took the trades. So we're going to talk about that right here. Here it is, July 6th. First trade was 1,171. Then a losing trade of 392. Then 252, 157, 212. Quick in, quick out, locked it in. Now, if you notice, profit factor, we're at 52%. Average weighted loss, 142. Current win streak, 6. Again, I don't care about this, but we haven't had a losing day. God bless. Last week was a green week. God bless. And current win streak, 3. I don't care about this stat. I don't care. So if you know, we'll find out. You need 7 days and a profit target. We'll talk about all that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if this is considered a day with prop firms. We'll find out tomorrow when the stats get loaded. I think the stats get loaded and updated at 5 p.m. Eastern. So we'll see. And then we got July 7th right here, which is today, which is not today, but you know what I mean. Tomorrow we'll take some good trades. I will try to be better. I've been journaling, and I'm going to give you some good trades tomorrow. Let's look at another piece of stat. So if you notice right here, 1 trade for today, as you can see, 100% win rate. Oh, that looks nice. Good to see that. Boom, boom, boom. Commission is $12.90. Today, not today as well. It's considered Monday. I was down $3.92, went up to $139. Then I was up $18. And then the next trade, $231. 4 trades, 75%, P&L gross $300, and then the fees, 33% commissions right there. I wonder why this doesn't even have a profit factor. That's interesting. But so far, as you notice, if you look at the chart here, you see more green, you see red, but then I always bring it back. This is the first one where I'm starting completely red and I'm back in the green. These are the stats, man. And we're up 7K on this in a little bit of time. If you notice the stats here, look at the wins overall and look at the losses, right? 391 average win, 276 average loss. We want to keep that winning number much higher than that red losing number per usual. And again, I'm not doing anything fancy here. Candles, levels, multiple time frames. Of course, I'm looking at indicators too here and there, but mainly candles, levels, multiple time frames, and just hitting sell very, very fast. One thing I want to work on this week with all of you is the live trading when I do it with you. I know when I do it by myself, I kill it because I don't have to perform for a camera. So one thing I'm going to try to do is be more patient, wait for a setup, if anything. That's what the goal is for that. And I'm just excited because this prop firm stuff, like I said, is new to me. And I'm excited to do this whole payout system because I know statistics show, let's ask, let's ask my AI assistant. Hey, Samara, quick question. When it comes to prop firms, futures trading, how much % of traders actually get a payout?
The percentage of traders who get a payout in prop firms can vary widely depending on the firm, the strategy, and the trader's discipline. Generally, it's estimated that only a small percentage, often around 10 to 20%, actually receive payouts. This is because prop trading involves strict rules and risk management, and only those who stick to their trading plan and manage risks effectively tend to succeed. Keep focusing on your strategy and discipline.
Thank you, Samira. We'll talk later. So that's pretty impressive. 10 to 20% of traders actually get a payout. So we're about to find out it says 7-day payout, right? This is the 7th day, but I don't know if Sunday is counted. I don't know. We should technically get it. Let me see. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Technically on the 9th, in 2 more days, we should get a payout if all goes well. All goes well. So I guess I'll be part of it. So that means maybe what I wrote works. What I wrote works. What I wrote works. Maybe the strategy does work. Maybe. I don't know what to tell you. This experiment has been going on 7 days now. This vlog, 7 days, right? Well, 6 days. It's counting 7. So far, we're good to go, and I'm very pleased with the stats because these numbers are very bad. I make way more than that. God bless. But this project that I'm working on to show the common trader, I know some of you just want your bills paid. You don't want these guys showing you the Ferrari, Lamborghini. You don't care. You don't care about them at the club popping bottles. You don't care. You just want your life back. You want your time back. You want your debt gone. You want to be able to have more time freedom, location. That's what this blog has been going on for 6 days is all about. I have to look at the calendar because I don't even know what day it is. But that's why we're on episode 6 so far. It's for that trader to show them that it's possible. We've been doing it. Imagine, making these numbers that you see down below on the screen. I don't know what to tell you. All right, listen, tomorrow I will see you guys, and we're going to execute well. Tomorrow's episode 7, day 7, July 7th. We're going to execute well, and God willing, have a green day, a green trade, all 3 in front of the camera on a live trading video. God willing. God willing. I got my notes. I got my stats. I got everything ready to go. So I'll see you guys then. Be good. All right, so taking a little hot bang over here. And yeah, good day trading. It was a good week. Watching a little movie as well. Expendables, Sylvester Stallone. Gotta love it. Do not take your life so seriously that you forget to live that life. Keep that in mind. Do not take your life so seriously where you forget to live your life. Remember that. I'll see you tomorrow.